Alright, yeah guys and girls, welcome back. So I've got another quick unboxing. I wouldn't say quick unboxing. Try and do a full unboxing of this. So we have here the FeiyuTech. This is the G6 Plus Gimbal. And it's a 3-axis stabilized handheld gimbal for camera. Now there's a picture of a DSLR camera. Don't know if it's a Sony. By the looks of it, it could be a Sony camera, APC camera. I have actually got the Alpha 6300. I checked on the website before I bought this, and it actually says the A6300, A6400 and A6500 on this stabilizer here. It's like a 4-in-1 camera stabilizer. So let's actually unbox this a second. Just got this through the post this morning for September the 25th 2020 at the time, because I needed something which is going to stabilize my camera, a proper camera, because the one that I've got before that I've done an unboxing on over on my channel over here was the camera gimbal, which is just used for like GoPros or little miniature cameras, action cameras. This one does the lot apparently. So and this only cost me just under 200 quid. You could get gimbals up to like 600, 700, £1,000 for a gimbal. So I thought I'd get this one. I don't know if this is like mid-range or not, but let's have a look. But apparently it says before you turn it on, you've got to connect the camera on, just to adjust the stabilization on it, just to make sure it's stable enough. And it is a battery as well operated one, so you've got to charge it up. I think there should be a USB cable of some sort in there. Alright. Not heard of the brand before, but I've heard good things about it. That it's good for the price, especially if you're just starting out and you just don't want to sort of you don't want to pay too much for them, like I do. I don't want to pay too much, but obviously I want to get the best out of it for the price. Now it comes in this case, nice little case here, and it says FeiyuTech. Nice sort of, I wouldn't say it's like more of a matte black on there. It's like matte colour finish because there's no shine to it that much. I mean, you can see like little bits and stuff, and also it's like non-fingerprints on there as well. So windy as hell outside today, guys and girls, in Weston-super-Mare. Alright, got the windows open at the moment. So what do we get in the box? Okay, we'll just put this here to the side a minute. Okay, so first thing first, I can get this out. That's my. There's a little sort of oblong style, cubic style box. What's in here? Let's have a look. That's probably maybe the strap or maybe a USB cable. Okay, so we've got a bracket. It's got some brackets. Got one of these like little clips, what you put on a GoPro or something, will clip in to a GoPro. Then we've got USB-C by the looks of it. Style cable, charging cable. Then it comes with these like little mountable screws. Looks like the GoPro ones. So the GoPro bit will go on the bottom of the gimbal. And then it comes with this like little sort of bracket screw, which I can just tighten that, so it should be good. and that's just your main sort of screw in for the camera. And to come up with another one of these little ones, that's 2 of them I got. They're like little nuts, bolts or whatever it is, screw underneath. So that's the screw, just there. Now I need to try and make sure I get this quickly done, because I get 10 minutes of record time on this one, because that's what I've set it at. Especially in 4K as well, because that takes a lot of gigabytes on my phone. Okay, so I'm gonna undo this one. Let's have that. Okay. So unstrap this. Right, let's have a look in the box here a minute. Got another box, but this might, is this a battery or something? Feels like a heavy battery, doesn't it? I've got to put a battery in there to connect to, or is this the phone, smartphone holder? And it is too. It's a smartphone holder. It can do iPhone on it. Well, it should be big enough. So you'll put your phone in there, and then you'll basically attach this somehow to the bracket. So there's some bracket at the back there. Just giving you a good, guys and girls, a good look. And that one's got FeiyuTech on it as well, on the smartphone holder. Comes with wires and all that. So let's have a look. What else we got here? Oh, is that the battery? So this looks like the battery. And I'll open it up in a minute, but that looks like the battery. It says FeiyuTech on it, or FeiyuTech. And there's the bit there. I don't know if it's lithium ion or whatever they got in it, but it's pretty cool. Alright. Now for the big main event. So don't tell me. Do I put? Oh, okay. Okay, so you put the battery in there. Don't know if you guys and girls will be able to see. In this little hole. That battery will slip straight into there. One way or the other. Gotta find out which way though. And then basically can fit my DSLR camera on there. Be big, heavy enough. And then we'll have to sort of find out how to use it. So we've got different modes. We've got a USB, so that USB port there, be able to charge the cable up. Then you've got your little sort of mounting button there, so you can go up and down, left, right, and all that, and turn them. Then you've got these like different modes. So there's different modes there. So I suppose that would be like sort of panoramic mode or turn mode or whatever it is. And then you've got your record button down there and your photo, taking a picture down there. And this is basically moving left and right, and this is going to keep the camera nice and steady and smooth, so you don't see any jerking in the video. And this is what this is for, really, actually, mostly are for. But I will do a video on my next one of how it works, how it turns on. I need to work out first, and then turn it on, and then give you some demonstration videos on it. But anyway, guys and girls, I'm going to finish off this episode because I'm running out. I've got about 20 seconds left. But if you enjoyed this episode, do leave a like, favourite, share, comment, subscribe, and all that. If you've got this gimbal already, let us know how you're getting on with it. Or send us a link to your channel so I can check your channel out, guys and girls. Cheers for watching. Stay safe.